Today's project is I'm building a cart to put my CJ2A Jeep tub on. It's sitting out back, and it's been out back all winter, sitting on the ground. That didn't hurt it any, because it's pretty much Swiss cheese anyway. The floor's got a bunch of holes in it, and it needs a little help. I do have the transfer case rebuilt. There's videos on that, and the transmission. That's ready to go back in. But it's also time to start messing with getting that body put back together. I've got the dimensions all figured out. That ratchet straps to kind of keep it square while I get some bracing in the center of it. So I'm going to get to work, do some cutting. Finally got everything all cut up. Just need to put it together, but I'm going to take it out back first. I think we'll finish putting it together here on the cement pad. This thing's dead level, so that'll kind of help me out. All right, this thing's pretty well done for the most part, other than I realized I kind of screwed up. Not with the design or any of that. I made this thing pretty long, and I was out measuring that tub, and I didn't put anything in the front to hold it. So these two brace pieces sit in the bed of it, or where your back seat would go, and that should hold it fine. But if it's top or front heavy, it'll do one of these. Not a big deal. I just need to add another board just right here. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we'll maybe... We're losing daylight, and it kind of looks like it's going to rain. So I don't know if I'm going to get that put on there or not. There's the Jeep sitting way out there at the back, right there. But I don't know if we're going to get to that or not, as far as putting it on the stand. Fixed, other boards in. But like I say, I'm not going to be able to do this tonight. I need some help lifting that body up. I could probably do it myself, but I don't feel like going to the hospital. My little stand is done. Had to add some other bracing along here. It was a little flimsy, I thought. Not really, but just be a little overkill. I think it'll be better that way. What I think I'm going to do is kick this thing up on its back, just on the tail piece here. I need to take these tail lights off. And then I'll put the stand the same and just kind of mate them together and just kind of flip it over. That's the thought. So we're going to try that. First I'm going to get these tail lights off, and then we'll see what we can do. Took a minute, but I got them off. There is not a straight panel on this entire thing, which is fine. That's all dented in. That looks like shit, of course. Yeah, I think the cowl's the only thing that's straight. The rest of this is pretty rough. So I won't feel so bad when I tip it up on its back if it dents it any more than it already is. Like I say, you see how that's all hammered right there. All right, I guess we're gonna try and flip this thing up, see what happens. Okay, this thing's fighting me a little bit. So it's so flimsy that it's kind of twisting on me. So I had to put that porta power in there to spread those wheel wells apart. So now it should just fall in there, I'm thinking. Okay, this thing doesn't weigh that much, right? So I flipped it on its side. So my thought is I'm going to lift it up and you guys lay it down. Okay, so just pull it down? Sort of. I got to lift it up first before you pull it. No, I can lift it up. They don't kind of work together. I just don't want to break these. So I'm going to get down underneath. You stay there. Thank you. Crazy.
Yeah, not too bad.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
It's gonna roll. Perfect. All right, it's on the cart. Thanks to the help of the younger people. I just couldn't get that thing to flip right. I could have done it, but I didn't want to break those pieces of wood. I was really afraid those were going to break. But yeah, this is perfect. So, it's not touching in there, which is cool. And I think I'm centered up where I want to be on those, what do you call them? On those braces. So yeah, I haven't seen underneath of it until I flipped it over. She's a little rough. So definitely needs some new hat channels. It looks like back to here is okay. The centerpiece is good. It's really just the outrigger pieces. Like that's a little crusty. They used to put wood inside of them. I don't know if you can see it. There you can see it. So there's wood in here, which is not the greatest idea. Wood collects water, right? So not the best idea by any means. Anyway, it did last up to this point. This thing's a 48 and it's 2026. So it's pretty damn old. There's a few body mounts that are crusty and kind of gone. I did save these. I even think one of them's still on the Jeep over here. Yeah, it's still right there. I saved them so I could duplicate them and fix them, kind of thing. But some of these are still here. That one's there. And the farthest out one here. I don't know how anything lined up. Look how dented that is. Pretty bad, huh? I've got a few little things I need to undo. Some of these bolts were rusted in there pretty good. I'm wondering about getting, like up in here, I can get in here and get the wood out. But some of these, like this one here, I mean, this thing's in good shape. I hate to take it apart. Other than to maybe straighten that bed out. You see how bowed that is. People just throw rocks and crap in it and they go to hell, right? It'd be nice to get that more flat like it is here. So I might play with that a little bit. Well, that was the project to get this thing on the cart. And so far, my little cart looks okay. Looks pretty cool. Let's look back here. Because that should be... It's a little front heavy, which is what I kind of thought. It's not touching here. But we'll remedy that. I think I'll just take a ratchet strap and just kind of tie it down at the back. Then I can figure something else out in that front to space it off the bottom there. Now that I got this on the cart, I'm just gonna piddle and take some of this hardware stuff off. There's some nuts under here. What else is there? couple of bracket things. They're all nasty. Starter switch. Just odds and ends. Get the rest of it all stripped off. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.